Richard?
I thought we would talk about changing out the basic lavatory bathroom faucet. You know, it might be worn out. You just might want to upgrade the look of it. All right, so it's a pretty straightforward project, and there's some basic connections. Okay, we've got a water supply connection. We've got a connection right here that connects the water supply to the shank of the faucet. Yep. And then we have the connection right here that makes the faucet latch on or stay on to the sink or countertop.
Gotcha. All right, so let me go.
Let's show the process. There's one thing that's really important before you do any of this work, and that is to shut the water off. Any shut-off's going to close with righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, so you turn it by hand. If you can't turn it by hand, actually this wrench is actually designed to also fit over the end of that shut-off. Just be careful not to over-torque on old work.
That pipe might not be secured to a stud or something like that. It could be old.
Right. Okay. So now you want to have some sort of rag or catch pan because it's going to be just the water that's sitting in these legs right here. Now, that's the easy part. Yeah. Okay. What's happened is up underneath here are these connections. Okay, so you can see that nut and the lock nut, and there's no room to get wrenches up in there.
Because you really have got to get sort of underneath and up this way.
Right, and then this turns out to be one of the great inventions. It's designed to be able to come up, and it fits exactly. Now you've got the torque. You've got added torque by being able to use your hands to loosen it, or you can put a screwdriver in here or a wrench and loosen it and get it. You can get up in there. That drops it right out.
And you only have to break your knuckles 3 times before you invest in one of those.
I'll get this side. Okay. Kevin, just take the old faucet out. Yep. Got that. All right. I love to make a watertight connection with Plumber's Putty. The thing about this is any imperfection in the sink, it'll fill that crack and just make a nice watertight connection. Once you put that up inside, and I'm going to catch the nuts.
Push this down a little bit.
Yeah, hold it.
I'll let you tighten it the rest of the way.
Okay. I'm going to snug them up. You see that squeezing out?
I do.
And I'm going to use that same wrench to start reversing the process. All right, so that's essentially the water connections to a new lav faucet. Only thing left to do is the lift rod that'll make that stopper go up and down.
Yep, and as you said, not hard. Any homeowner can do it.
We hope so.
All right, thank you, Richard.
This didn't hurt.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.